Okay, hi everybody. I look a mess because I haven't brushed my hair and I'm still in my dressing gown and everything like that. But I've got some big news. So, yesterday from my video where I said that if I get no comment, I'll choose myself between getting a hamster or a budgie. So I decided to go for bird. And I've been looking, researching it online, properly and stuff. And I already knew before I researched what a cockatiel was, but a cockatiel, I'm not sure whether to decide between 2 budgies or 1 cockatiel. So I'm going to put the link in the description for the cage, the 2 cages which I might be getting. And can you guys help me decide to either get 1 cockatiel or 2 budgies?